Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Yala. My name's Scott. Hold on to your seats. A bombshell has just been dropped at the Eastern Economic Forum in Vladivostok the other day. A top Putin advisor advised publicly. He revealed what he calls Trump's hidden playbook, using stablecoins to devalue trillions in U.S. debt. And yes, he says Bitcoin stands to gain massively. Today, we're going to uncover what that means. We're going to break it down and explain to you in layman's terms what that means for you and why right now could be the Bitcoin opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, so Putin's advisor, he didn't just whisper this in private. He shouted it on the world stage. He claims the U.S. will shove its debt into the crypto cloud, devalue it, and just start from scratch. And Bitcoin, of course, he says, is about to a boom. So let's go ahead and unpack this quote from Anton Kobayakov. Let's have a look and a listen right now. Play it.
America is trying to change the rules in the gold and cryptocurrency markets. Remember how much debt they have. $35 trillion. Essentially, these are two alternative segments to the global currency market. Washington's actions in this direction clearly demonstrate one of America's main objectives. They are very eager to solve the problem of declining trust in the dollar. The U.S., just as it did in the 1930s and 1970s, will solve its financial problems at the expense of the entire world, driving everyone where? Into the cryptocurrency cloud. Over time, when part of the U.S. national debt is placed in stablecoins, the U.S. will devalue that debt. Once again, in simple terms, right now they have a $35 trillion currency debt. They move it into crypto, into the cloud, devalue it, and start from scratch. This is for those who really love dealing with crypto.
There you have it. Spoken directly from him. He also compared it to debt maneuvers from the 1930s and 1970s, suggesting that history is repeating itself, but now it's repeating itself digitally. Now, how does his theory actually work? Well, here's the theory. U.S. debt is denominated in dollars, okay? So if the dollar weakens through inflation, the bad word inflation, okay, the real value of the debt also drops. Okay. Now imagine embedding that debt into stable coins, which are digital dollars. For those of you new to Bitcoin, you may not know what stable coins are, but they're basically a digital dollar. Okay. And the US just signed a bill to make stable coins more accessible, if you will, okay, for banks, institutions, and so forth. Okay. So if you want more information on that, leave write a message in the chat and I'll expand on that. Now, how does this help Bitcoin? Simple. 4 points. First, currency devaluation means everyone is going to run and fly towards hard assets. A hard asset is something like gold, something hard to replicate. But Bitcoin has been proven to be the top hard asset globally in the world. So people are going to flock to Bitcoin to protect their money. Okay. Now, the infrastructure, this is the second point. Infrastructure like crypto wallets, crypto exchanges, those are pipelines that stablecoins are going to be on that are getting enhanced. Well, Bitcoin already rides on those. So it's going to be easier for people to get into Bitcoin. Okay. And the scarier, this is the third point, inflation is because the governments, they're going to turn on that money printer go, it's going to happen. It's coming. Okay. And when it does, the president is going to print more dollars, inflation's going to rise even more, and people are going to sprint into Bitcoin to protect their money from shrinking. Okay, so this isn't just economic theory. This is real geopolitical intrigue now. Russia's already talking about it. Western markets are whispering about it. You and your family can see all of this unfolding live right here on the channel. Bitcoin isn't just a bet. It's a generational opportunity. We might be on the verge of the biggest the biggest Bitcoin opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, so this is very exciting to watch. You saw the video. Stay tuned for more. We're going to do a lot more videos to keep you more up to date. We're going to do at least 2 to 3 a week now. We're ramping it up thanks to the community member that suggested that. Hats off to you. Everyone else who's watching this, please smash that like button. It helps the algorithm. It helps us to get more attention. We're still trying to get that sponsor. Once we do, we can do a lot more giveaways for bigger amounts and more of it. Yes, I'm crazy, but crazy's good when it comes to Bitcoin. So let's go. Let's stack that Bitcoin, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care, everyone. Good night.